Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Hira Naqvi and welcome to my YouTube channel Study English with Hira. Do, make. Don't you feel that do and make are confusing? If they are confusing for you, then this video is a best tutorial that is going to enhance the concept of do and make. So let's start. Do is used to talk about jobs and tasks that you perform. For example, do your homework. So homework is the task that you have to perform. Do the houseworks or do the house chores. Once again, they are the different activities that we need to perform every day. I do exercise a lot. Once again, a wonderful activity that we do to enhance or to maintain our body shape or to be fit. Whereas make is used for producing, creating or constructing something new. He is making some noise, like he is producing some noise. You need to make some efforts. Again, you have to construct some efforts. You have to produce, build some efforts. Let's make coffee. Once again, coffee is a full procedure in which you have to take it, you have to take milk and you have to whisk it, and then you are supposed to make coffee. And then we produce or we make coffee. We can also say that do is used to refer some activities that are being general, not specific. On the other hand, make is used to indicate an origin of a product or the materials that are used to make something. I hope students today the concept of do and make must be clear. If you have any question left in the mind, then you are free to comment me and I am supposed to give you the answers. Subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel Study English with Hira. Take care. Allah Hafiz.